Hello and welcome to my final prototype design presentation. My name is Konstantin Antis and I am presenting an application design for a calorie tracking application. The first two pages that I have here before me are my sign up and login page. Similar to other sign up and login pages, these create user accounts and tie a user to a name, email, and password. The entry boxes are all well labeled for users to understand where they need to enter their information and what they are entering. Ideally, the sign up and login buttons will also provide feedback if the user enters any information correctly, and users have the option to try to retrieve their forgotten password. Now to get into the first actual page of the application once you're inside, let me start with a little background on that these designs are all based on the principles of simplicity, discoverability, ease, and feedback. So this profile is laid out very simply. You have a name, a picture, a simple background, a goals and favorites tab, and then at the bottom is the common menu that all pages will have, which allows users to select between the profile page, the audio meal entry page, the picture meal entry page, insights into statistics, and then an options page. To go a little deeper on the profiles page, you can go from the profile page into settings or just log out. You can list your goals here and then scroll through any goals, and you can list any favorite meals and why they're your favorite. These are so that users may stay on top of their own goals and remember them, as well as have a list of meals that they can select from memory in case they're having a hard time picking what to eat. To go up to our first modality of entry, and one of the more important pages is our picture entry page. You can see Gumbo being laid out and what this page looks like when a picture is taken. But initially what it would look like is just a grayed out box with a picture icon. Users would tap that box and then take a picture or select a picture and enter it. Then AI would list out foods in a list underneath, like that seafood gumbo, lobster, white rice, and so on. Users can select from that list and then hit next in order to go to the edit meal button and edit what their servings are or what the statistics are for that meal in order to actually enter it. This is so that users have an intuitive modality of entry similar to how they interact with food in real life. If they take a picture of it, it should be as easy as selecting from items in that picture and then hitting enter to record it. Next up is our audio log. The audio log here is a very simple layout that focuses on giving users a lot of feedback through the text boxes. Users are prompted to discover and click the mic button on the bottom, which will begin recording. Whenever a user pauses their speaking, it will pop up as a green dialog box, and then the AI will respond with a gray dialog box. Through this dialogue, users can describe what meal they would like to enter, and in a gray dialog box like the middle one, where breakfast is underlined, users can click that option and be redirected to the edit meal button for that meal. And then they can edit again, like the protein, calories, or servings for that meal. The AI will also try to provide suggestions and help users, such as suggesting meals based on dietary preferences. Here we go into user options, where there are some simple options users can choose from using radio buttons. And the feedback is whether or not the radio button is lit up will show that it is selective, and then users can click the save button to save those options. Next up is calorie tracking, where you are brought to, if you click the insights page, this will show you a couple days worth of your eating habits. And if you click on it, and you can see like a bar layout for them at the top, if you click on any of the days, either the bar or at the bottom where the calories are actually listed out, you'll be brought to insights. And insights very simply lays out where how much of each macronutrient was eaten in that day compared to your goals. Thank you for taking the time to watch my final prototype video.